Yo, Wagwan peace, welcome back to my channel. This is something different. You'll be seeing me doing my regular maintenance on my gaming laptop here. Yeah, so be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll walk you through as I do what I do, and you see what I do, so you can do what I do. Okay. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is remove all 7 screws. Will be shown on the screen right now. Next will be a corner where you can pry the cover off, which would be the corner right here. Alright, so the next step is unplugging the battery from the motherboard. Alright, so to remove the heat pipe, we're going to have to remove all 8 screws, which I'm going to show you right now on the screen. Also, remember to remove the tape that's on the heat pipe. Okay, so to clean the thermal paste off the copper heatsink, I personally use alcohol wipes. You can also use microfiber cloth with a dab of alcohol. Don't drown it in the alcohol, just a dab, and clean off the copper heatsink, and also to clean the CPU and the GPU. Take your time if you want the best results. And to dry, you can leave it there to dry, and then you can wipe it off with a microfiber, and you're all good to reapply thermal paste. Yeah, watch the process. This is a thermal paste I use, Arctic Silver 5. Alright, so as you can see, I did not try to put any X or any any of those pattern for gaming or whatever. It's just a dab on each one, a dab in the middle, a dab in the middle. Like, you don't need to flood it with thermal paste, which will just create a mess all over the motherboard. You have to clean it up later, because trust me, once you go back to clean it up, it's gonna look horrible. So just do what I do and you will not regret it. Okay, now it's time to put the PC back together. Alright, so we're gonna put the heat pipe in first, slowly, and ensure everything lines up properly. Then there's a little cutout right there where the copper is. There's gonna be a metal on the tape itself. You have to ensure it lines up perfectly with it. And you lay it down, right. And then you put the 8 screws back in. Alright, so this is where you check over your work, ensure that everything is where you saw it when you open the PC up, ensure you plug in the battery back where it was, and check over everything, ensure it's all set before you put the cover back. And remember, your 7 screws should be 4 tall ones and 3 short ones. Yep, and now we have a nice, clean, and cool running laptop. Yep, there it is, in all its glory. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and for watching the video. I'm out.